I'm gonna show you guys how to cook egg without boiling on water. So first, I'm gonna use the smallest 1 quart of salad master. So of course you need a lid, and you're gonna need a paper towel to use on it. So I'm gonna put on the bottom of the salad master cookware. But before you do that, you have to wet this. So I wet this and then put it inside. So no water, just wet the paper towel. See guys? And of course you have to close the lid, and then I'm gonna move this here. I'm gonna use this one, so I'm gonna put on a medium heat. So the high temperature is 10. So I put only on the 5.5. So 5.5 only. So this is the pot. So and then it's gonna be cooked in it's gonna be cooked by, if you want it's half cooked 5 minutes. If you want like well done, it's gonna be 8 minutes. So to cook in a salad master, to boil a egg without using water, just wet the paper towel a little bit, put on the bottom of the egg like this one here, like that. So it's moving, my camera is moving, so sorry guys. So like that, and then just close the lid. So then we're gonna wait until 8 minutes because I like my eggs well done. I don't like eggs half cooked. So that's my dinner. I didn't eat breakfast, I didn't eat lunch, so it's gonna be my dinner. So 1 meal a day only to lose weight. So that's the only dinner I have. Now it's clicking already. I turned it off already. So it's after 8 minutes, it's off already. So it's off. So now let's check it out. Here you go. It didn't burn guys, and it's still sweating the lid. So then let's put on cold water so I can I'm gonna put in the cold water so it's easy. So it didn't burn. Look at the bottom. No, it's not burned. So that's how you cook, how you boil eggs. Use a paper towel, wet paper towel. You don't need to put a lot of water when you are boiling eggs. Of course, you're gonna put in a cold water after you boil it, so it's easy for you to peel the eggs. Now we're gonna peel it, and I'm gonna show you that it's really cooked. Hard boiled or well done. I like well done, even for the meat. And I'm gonna get a plate to show you that it's really well done. See guys, it's well done. Oh, see? It's not overcooked and it's not malasado. I think it's only 7 minutes, not even 8 minutes. So it's not like very hard, which is good though. There you go, guys. See? See? It's well done or hard-boiled your eggs. So, 8 minutes, guys. 5 to 8 minutes. 5 minutes, malasado. 8 minutes, well done. Half cook. 5 minutes, half cook. Medium. And I'm gonna eat it without salt. And I'm gonna eat my eggs hard-boiled. Yummy. So no salt. I eat no salt, guys. Sarap. It's so good. My well done eggs. Sarap. Yesterday I didn't eat eggs. Today I eat eggs. So, oh my god, I see there outside. Oh my god, my plants. I have to hurry, guys. I can see the deer. I'm gonna ruin my plants. Sarap. So that's how I boil eggs without putting water. It's so good. It's so yummy. On salad, master cook.